Okay, here's what we're doing today. So I've got this JL10W7 version 3. I got this thing for an absolute steal. I traded a sub that I didn't even want, and I got this sub and a box. Now, I think I got it so cheap, one, because it's not pretty. It's got some glue here on the surround. Whoever redid the surround of this thing did a terrible job. And the guy I got it from said there was a rattle to it, which is fine. I can fix these things. But I think here's where the rattle came from. There was 5 screws. 5 short-ass screws holding this thing to the box. Now the box is well built, double baffle, all that good stuff, but this thing, if I remember right, has 10 holes, 10 screw holes to hold it in, and there's only 5 short-ass screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm sorry, there are 12 screw holes to hold this thing down. So there was less than half the screws needed to hold this thing in. So no wonder it was fucking rattling. Jeez. So yeah, we're gonna put a new surround on this thing at the very least. The coil, from what I've checked with my flashlight so far, is good. I can ohm it out real quick and verify that, but it's not in bad shape. Besides the surround just needing done and fix this ugly glue. The spider has a little bit of sag to it. I may replace the spider if it's not too much of a pain. I don't know, we'll see, but I'm gonna get it torn down anyway and get this surround taken care of. Just for peace of mind, I'll probably do the spider, just because, I mean, they're not very expensive anyway. The coil looks good though, so that's a big positive. Yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Three ohms. Yeah, ohms out fine. So for the hell of it, I think I'm going to put the trim ring back on and hook it up to an amp real quick. Just send some test tones, just to see. Well, it's got a pretty bad rattle. Huh. What? I wonder if there's not just something stuck between the dust cap and the coil, or the cone. Unless it's just this really shitty glue job. Oh, that's a shitty glue job under there. That is, yeah. Pretty bad glue job. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is disgusting. I'm willing to bet it's that. I mean, that is just some runny glue. Oh my goodness. That's terrible. Terrible, terrible. Spider looks original. It's running down the cone is so bad. Big old drops, drips. Yeah, there's something under the cone. Dust cap. Here. Oh yeah. Probably dried glue. Dried glue that broke off. Wow, man. That's bad. Okay, so now we're gonna start the tear down. That pretty much confirms it. Probably crappy dried glue under the dust cap rattling around. Okay, here we go. Clean up my tools and we'll get started. I'm probably just gonna have to cut the spider and just to get it out of there and clean it, because that's just disgusting. Yeah. All right, here we go. That's fine. Oil looks good. Yeah, look at that. Just runny glue, big old drips. Here we go. We got a jail maraca. I didn't know jail made maracas. We're gonna try and salvage the coil. See, and that thing, that just peeled right off with my fingernail. So whoever rebuilt this thing just did a terrible job. But this might work out in my favor. The glue might be easy to get off. See? See? It's just peeling off. Maybe. Here's our whole thing. Just save. Alright, just want to keep that safe. Don't bump it, dent it, anything like that. Okay. Guess I can just start cutting away at it just to make an opening. I could also let this stuff soak. Oh yeah. Could also just let this soak in some goof off. That may help. Probably also just get some heat on it. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Okay, I think we're all separated around the edges. Okay, all right, we're good there. Now we need to get a long pry tool, and right in the middle here is why it's called a W, in the middle of the cone. Goes down, comes up, flat spot, down, and then back up again. Hopefully you can see that. So right here in the middle, there's a little bump that sticks up. You gotta soften that adhesive and pry it up. A long tool like this helps. Trim tool, I think I got it on Amazon as a kit. Heat the center of the cone, but don't get too hot or you will warp it. Warm enough. Yep, here we go. Now it's coming up. Now it's coming up. Yeah, buddy. Yep. Someone scrape the fuck out of this thing. Glop that glue on like shit. Look at all that. See, that's what. Right there. All that shit. Hardened glue. Someone's an idiot. Doesn't know how to rebuild these damn things. That was it. It's like they put a little spacer here too. Because again, they don't know what they're doing. Oh, this is a mess. Okay, so you can see like all that shitty glue run got down in here, hardened, and then after just years of moving, vibrating, it just came loose and started rattling inside the cone. Yeah, so I got a good deal on this thing. Really good deal. Considering the coil's fine. It just needs all this freaking glue cleaned up. Oh, it's a mess. Oh, this is gonna be so fun. Oh man, this is gonna suck. Well, we'll see. I'll try different methods to get all this glue released, but this is not gonna be fun. So that's gonna be it for tonight. I'm going to work on some way of getting all this adhesive loosened up. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. So catch you on the next one. Take her easy. Ah, no. Try that again. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Good enough.